Most service members spend their last months before separation thinking about the transition, the job search, where they're moving, how to adjust. But here's the truth. If you separate without good credit and access to capital, you're setting yourself up to struggle, because no matter how many benefits you've earned, without credit and without capital, you cannot maximize them. And that gap will cost you and your family. I've been there, I've done it. I know what's going on. For those of you who don't know, my name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran, and I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that earns $5 to $10K additional per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never get to see because I've automated and delegated every part of that process, and each vehicle brings me in about $1,000 to $3,000 per car per month, and you can do the exact same thing. And today I'm going to be breaking down why good credit and access to capital are two of the most important things you need before leaving the military, and how it can set you and your family up for freedom instead of stress. Here's what most service members believe: as long as I've got my benefits and a job lined up, I'll be okay after separation. It's crazy to believe that, and it's dangerous, because the reality is this: benefits are powerful, but they're limited. Jobs pay you, but they cap you. Without credit and capital, you have no leverage, and without leverage, you'll stay trading time for money just to get by. That's why so many veterans end up struggling financially after separation, not because they didn't serve well, but because they didn't prepare financially before they separated from the military. You have to think of it like this: credit isn't just a score, it's access. Capital isn't just money, it's leverage. When you separate with good credit, you unlock opportunities that most people never see. Banks trust you, funding becomes available, and you can invest in assets that actually pay you back. But when you separate with poor credit, you're already behind. Every decision, housing, vehicles, even starting a business, it actually becomes harder and more expensive. Good credit and capital don't just benefit you, they protect and provide for your family. And here's the exact reason on why it matters so much before you separate. Housing. Whether you rent or buy, credit decides your options. Good credit equals better approvals, lower rates, and stability for your family. Vehicles. You'll need reliable transportation after separation. With strong credit, you can acquire vehicles as assets instead of just liabilities. Benefits leverage. Benefits give you stability. Pair that stability with strong credit, and banks give you capital. That capital can literally fund cash flowing assets like Turo rentals or small businesses. Family protection. Emergencies happen, people. Capital and credit are safety nets. Instead of scrambling, you can act. And then just having that transition freedom. When you separate, the last thing you want is financial pressure. Good credit and capital give you options so you don't have to take the first job just to pay your bills. And this is how you actually maximize what you've earned in the service. But most veterans do all this wrong, right? They wait until after separation to think about credit. They assume benefits alone will cover everything. They waste so much time applying for jobs instead of preparing financially. And nobody learns how to leverage credit into assets. And then people wonder why they feel stuck right after leaving the military. It's because of those right there. It's because of everything we just discussed. You want to think of it like this: separation is not just about leaving the military. It's about entering the real world prepared. You already prepared for battle. You already trained for missions. But financial readiness is the mission that determines your family's future. Good credit and capital aren't luxuries. They're tools. And without them, you'll always be reacting instead of controlling your future. Look, when I left the military, I didn't have the financial literacy I needed. I thought benefits and a job would be enough. But that mindset kept me broke and overworked. I had no leverage. The actual turning point was when I fixed my credit, accessed capital, and invested it into assets like my Turo business. That's what allowed me to go from surviving to thriving. Now I run multiple businesses, mentor thousands of students, and I own over 40 vehicles I never touched because the systems I created handled them. The difference was not luck, it was preparation and blessings. So let me ask you this: are you preparing for separation the right way? Are you only focused on benefits and a paycheck, or are you setting yourself up with good credit, capital, and assets that can actually pay you back? Because the truth is this: separation isn't the finish line, it's the starting point. And if you don't prepare financially, your family pays the price. And if you're anything like me, you will not let your family down. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle. And I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035, and I will personally reach back to you, and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. So if you knew that good credit and access to capital can give you and your family stability, options, and freedom after separation, why wouldn't you make that priority right now? Wouldn't it make sense to leverage the Benefits Wealth Boosting Program so you don't just survive after the military, but you can actually thrive? Look, let's make it make sense, right? What I want you to do is text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. It's gonna come straight to my phone. Once I get that text, we're gonna figure out together the best way to get your credit optimized, secure you some capital, and build you some assets that protect your family. Because at the end of the day, isn't it better to prepare for freedom now than to struggle later wishing you had it? Look, don't waste another second. Go ahead and take action. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and I appreciate you all for tuning in. Let's go hustle, people. Peace.